We have a couple new teas in our fall into winter collection, and they are the Cozy and Connected. These will not only speed your metabolism and quench that sweet tooth, but they will cause feelings of connected coziness. We're in an election year, so what you want to do is remember what connects us, not what disconnects us. So this is a beautiful tea. As you can see, it's got little apple chunks in it and gorgeous oolong. Oolong speeds metabolism. It's a slightly fermented tea, so you're getting the heart healthy benefits of black tea as well as the metabolism boosting of a green tea. So we're gonna steep this a little strong and we're gonna make an apple crisp martini. All you wanna do is you wanna steep some very strong apple crisp tea. If you do this in alcohol, you can put the tea right in vodka. Vodka, not that one, that one. A little sweetener in there. Then you add your tea, and you want to make your tea very strong. And you're going to shake it up. Gorgeous, yes. Cinnamon in there. And there you go. That is so freaking good. Impossibly delicious.